Raw camel horns arrive directly for industrial transformation. Each horn is inspected before entering production. Industrial washing removes dust and surface residue. The natural horn surface begins revealing its texture. Controlled drying prepares the horn for cutting. Uniform moisture levels improve processing accuracy.
Every horn is digitally measured and categorized. This determines the manufacturing route.
The horn is cut into workable production sections. Precision minimizes material waste. Internal cleaning removes remaining natural residue. The horn structure becomes production ready. Controlled heat temporarily softens the horn. This enables reshaping without cracking. Pressure reshapes the natural horn geometry. The transformation becomes visible. Each blank receives exact dimensions. Clean edges prepare the next machining stage. Sanding creates uniform thickness and texture. The horn surface begins to refine. Computer-guided shaping creates consistent profiles. Each horn piece gains its final form. Hand refinement highlights the natural horn pattern. Small imperfections are removed. The surface transforms from matte to rich shine. Natural patterns become more dramatic. Every surface is checked for consistency. Only approved pieces continue. A protective finish preserves the horn surface. The final transformation is now taking shape. The protective layer fully cures under controlled conditions. Each horn piece is stabilized for final fabrication. Edges are refined for a clean, finished profile. Surface integrity is preserved during shaping.
Thickness is calibrated for uniform specifications. Every piece must meet exact tolerance.
Decorative detailing enhances the final appearance. The horn's natural character remains visible. Hand finishing reveals the complete visual effect. Every surface receives final refinement. Components are matched for consistency and appearance. The final build phase begins. Assembly begins with precise component alignment. Controlled application ensures stability. Pressure stabilizes the assembled structure. The product begins taking final shape. Alignment verification confirms assembly accuracy. Only balanced pieces continue. The final polish reveals depth and gloss. Natural horn patterns stand out dramatically. Final cleaning removes every remaining particle. The product is prepared for presentation. Every detail is examined before approval. Only flawless pieces pass quality control. Brand finishing completes the manufacturing identity. The transformation reaches its final stage. Careful packaging protects the finished surface. Each product is prepared for shipment.
From raw horn to premium finished production, the transformation is complete.
Production continues beyond packaging. Every shipment remains fully traceable. Environmental conditioning protects finished quality. Temperature and humidity remain controlled. Random audits confirm production consistency. Every batch must meet final standards. Documentation links every shipment to production. Each pallet receives verified records. Protective wrapping secures every shipment. The finished load becomes transport ready. Finished production enters dispatch staging. Inventory remains organized for rapid delivery. Orders trigger final shipment preparation. The production journey nears completion. Final loading checks prevent transport damage. Every shipment is verified before departure. Finished products leave the factory floor. The transformation reaches global distribution.
Every shipment is sealed and documented. The factory process officially concludes.
From raw material to finished production, every stage contributes to the final result. Precision and repetition define the process. The natural material reveals its final character. Large-scale manufacturing depends on synchronized systems. Every station supports the next. The complete transformation is now visible. Natural material becomes premium production. From raw camel horn to premium finished production. This is the complete factory transformation. The factory cycle never truly stops. New production begins as finished orders leave. Advanced sorting improves production consistency. Every horn follows the correct processing route. Automation increases speed and repeatability. Each cut follows programmed dimensions. Controlled finishing reduces variation. Surface preparation remains highly consistent.
Digital inspection identifies microscopic variation. Only approved material continues forward.
Polishing deepens visual contrast and shine. The natural horn appearance becomes more pronounced. Visual inspection confirms appearance standards. Consistency remains essential at every stage. Finished production is grouped for efficiency. Batch control supports large-scale output. Protective preparation preserves the final finish. Every piece receives controlled handling. Packaging combines protection with presentation. The production line prepares final delivery. Weight verification confirms packaging accuracy. Every shipment must match specifications. Automated palletizing speeds final logistics. Precise stacking improves shipment stability. Wrapping secures products for transport. The shipment reaches its final protected state. Final logistics prepare products for distribution. The factory output becomes ready to move. Continuous production powers every shipment. The transformation journey moves beyond the factory. Production cycles continue without interruption. Every completed shipment triggers the next build. Material preparation determines final consistency. Each section is positioned with precision. Heat conditioning prepares material for shaping. The horn structure becomes easier to process. Pressure transforms the horn into uniform profiles. Controlled forming maintains visual character. Cooling locks the formed structure into place. Each piece maintains production accuracy. Finishing reveals the final surface quality. The horn's natural patterns become more visible. Every component is verified before final approval. Consistency drives large-scale production. Final preparation highlights every detail. The product is ready for display. The transformation is fully revealed. Natural material becomes premium production. Every process contributes to the final result. The transformation combines precision and scale. Precision finishing defines the final appearance. Small details create the strongest impact. Large-scale output depends on coordinated systems. Every station supports continuous production. The completed production line stands revealed. Uniform quality defines the final output. Presentation completes the manufacturing story. Every finished unit is ready to leave the factory. From raw camel horn to premium production,
The factory transformation continues beyond this moment. The final journey begins after production ends. Every finished unit enters controlled dispatch. Automation organizes shipment at scale. Every stack is built for stability. Protective sealing secures the finished output. Every shipment is stabilized for transport. Final verification confirms shipment readiness. No stage is skipped before release. The production story moves into distribution. Finished products prepare to leave the facility. Every load is arranged for secure transport. The finished transformation leaves the factory. The shipment receives final authorization. The factory process reaches completion.
The complete transformation happened one stage at a time. Every process contributed to the final result. Precision finishing defines the visual transformation. Craftsmanship remains visible in every surface.
Large-scale manufacturing depends on connected systems. Every station supports the complete operation.
The finished result reflects the entire process. The transformation becomes fully visible.
Every stage transformed the original material. The complete journey is now visible together. Consistency defines large-scale production. The final output is ready for the world. The manufacturing cycle continues forward. One finished shipment becomes the start of another.
From raw camel horn to premium finished production, this is the complete transformation inside America's camel horn factory.